Hi, and welcome to the Miramar News Network. I'm Allura Murray. Opioid abuse is a problematic, ongoing pattern of opioid use that causes a significant amount of impairment, danger, and/or distress. Let's take a closer look at the contributing factors of opioid abuse. To begin, genetics play a major role in a person's likelihood to abuse opioids. In fact, genetic predisposition constitutes to roughly 50% of a person's likeliness to abuse opioids. In addition, environment can directly influence a person's predisposition toward opioid use. People who grow up in homes with high levels of stress are more likely to become addicted. Also, living in an area with exposure to drug use or easy access to drugs can also contribute to addiction. Furthermore, a history of and/or current exposure to trauma can play a part in a person's tendency toward opioid abuse as well. Moving on, there is a strong link between mental illness and opioid abuse. The National Alliance on Mental Illness reports that 50% of drug abusers also struggle with a mental health issue. Furthermore, peer influence can be an instrumental motivator for opioid abuse. Also, a person's personality can lead him or her to experiment with opioids. There are several different types of personality traits that contribute to opioid abuse, including impulsivity, poor self-control, difficult disposition, and inability to connect and/or empathize with others. That wraps up our newscast for today. Thanks for joining us at the Miramar News Network. I'm Allura Murray. Thanks for watching.